Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you how grouping assignment works. You can group assignments to make it easier to manage. Keep in mind that groups do not affect assignment publishing or grading. All those attributes are set at the assignment or the part level. Now let's get started. First, select New Group in the Edit Assignment page here. Then enter the group name and select Save and Continue after you're done. Now the group should show up in the list on the left-hand side right here. Here you have two options to add an assignment to a group. You can open the group and drag an assignment in it manually, or you can select the assignment you want and hit Move to Group. If you have multiple groups, you can just add it to whichever one you want, and it'll automatically be added right here, as you can see. This is quite easy to do and will help you organize assignments the way you want to. And to delete a group, you can simply use the trash can symbol right here next to the group name and hit Delete. Please note that all assignments in the group will also be deleted if you decide to do so. So if you want to keep the assignment, you can simply drag it out and delete the group afterwards. So that is all for today. If you have any questions or need extra assistance, please reach out to us at support@vocareum.com or visit help.vocareum.com. Thank you.